Not too long ago, the Christian went to the same Congress in the United States and lied to them that there is a genocide going on in Nigeria.
The recent session in Washington, D.C., where Nigerian activists criticized Sharia law, has drawn sharp reaction back home. For many Muslim leaders, the presentation was based on misinformation and risks, creating unnecessary religious tension.
May I, on behalf of the practicing Nigerian Muslim, who are the absolute majority in the country, totally condemn this singular act by the Christians, who are now determined to cause a serious rift between the Muslims and Christians.
Dan Malikin Bauchi stressed that Sharia, as practiced in northern Nigeria, applies to Muslims and has no legal implication for Christians or adherents of other faiths.
Let the Christian know that the Muslim shall never accept a governance in Nigeria without the Sharia law. That has nothing to do with them, the Christians. A right, which is a right duly enshrined in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to practice Sharia law.
He also referenced historical research showing how aspects of Islamic jurisprudence influence English common law, including contract enforcement and property remedies. Scholars say these principles have no equivalent in Roman or Anglo-Saxon law.
When people today hear the word Sharia, they imagine something foreign or extreme. But historically, Sharia was seen even by Europe as a sophisticated and advanced legal system worthy of respect.
According to Dan Maliki, early American institutions, including Supreme Court and Congress, once described Islamic law as rational, sophisticated, and proactive of civil rights. Locally, the system remains widely used, with some non-Muslims choosing Sharia courts for civil cases due to speed, clarity, and reduced corruption. Dan Maliki, however, argues that Sharia coexists peacefully within Nigeria's tripartite legal framework: common law, customary law, and Islamic law.
If Sharia were inherently unjust, why would medieval England, a non-Muslim nation, quietly adopt its principle to reform its justice system? Christians in Nigeria are often treated as if Sharia is a political weapon. But the facts are clear and constitutional. 1. Sharia in Nigeria applies only to Muslims. This is guaranteed by the Constitution, and the Sharia practices of state levels was passed by the Houses of Assembly.
As the conversations continue, religious leaders and legal experts are urging Nigeria to rely on facts, history, and constitutional reality, not fear of foreign narratives. They say the nation's unity depends on mutual respect and understanding of its diverse legal tradition. From Bauchi State, Muhammad Awal, reporting for Correspondent Swatch TV.